From caveman couture to modern fashion, the journey of cloth is nothing short of fascinating. Alright folks, buckle up because we're about to embark on a textile time travel. Our journey begins over 30,000 years ago. Early humans didn't have the luxury of malls or online shopping. They had to improvise. Animal skins and furs were the go-to, but not exactly comfy or stylish. Fast forward to around 5000 BC in ancient Egypt. Enter the plant hero flax. Egyptians mastered the art of turning flax fibers into linen, creating the world's first woven fabric. Talk about revolutionary. Then came the Silk Road, which wasn't just a trade route but a cultural exchange highway. Around 3000 BC, the Chinese discovered the secret of silk from silkworm cocoons. Silk was so precious, it was worth its weight in gold. Meanwhile, back in Europe, the loom was transforming wool into warm, durable textiles. By the Middle Ages, clothmaking was a booming industry, with guilds and artisans perfecting their craft. And let's not forget the Industrial Revolution. The invention of mechanized looms in the 18th century turned cloth production into a global industry, making fabrics more accessible than ever. So next time you slip into your favorite outfit, remember, you're wearing a piece of history. From ancient flax to futuristic fabrics, the story of cloth is woven with innovation and ingenuity. Thanks for joining our thread of history. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fascinating journeys through time.